Hello everybody, welcome to Pamela's Creations. I'm so glad I got my Annie's Kit Club. Yay! So excited. I am starting to put together the other ones I've received. So just working on the process with that. And I'm going to show you what this month's club kit is. So it looks like we got a button. And looks like we'll be making this perfect topper, and it's Love to Crochet Kit Club. And these are the patterns. No more pictures. And yeah, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That's so pretty. I love the colors of that. And with the white long sleeve t-shirt, that looks really pretty. Super pretty. Maybe something my daughter would wear. And let's look at the yarn. I hope you guys are doing well today. Today is Vita number 27. So far I've put 27 videos out in the month of April. So let's look at these beautiful yarns. Looks like we got 3. And they're all the same. It's a 60% cotton, 40% acrylic, 3.8 ounces, 310 yards, and it's a 3 lightweight. So it's not even a 4. But look at this. This is very soft. It says cool machine wash, gentle, tumble dry, low heat, do not bleach, do not iron. And I usually hand wash anyway. Yeah. And it looks like you can just pull right out. And we've got 3 of those. I'm not sure what the color is on here. It's some kind of blue, but I don't know. All right, it says denim blue in the book. That's beautiful. It's very, very, very soft. And I like how you can just pull out the middle. So I can't wait to start making this. And we got a button. Super cute. I really like that. So this was my my Love to Crochet Kit Club for the month. And I cannot wait to get started on this. It's going to look super cute. All right, everyone. Take care and stay safe. And we got a few more days for the end of April. And I may have a surprise at the end of April. All right, everyone. Bye.